Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy ironing board on TEMU for extremely cheap. TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the products directly to consumers from China, and it's provide a 90 days return policy. So here we have to come to temu.com. So here at the search button we will directly search for ironing board. So here we can see our ironing board here. So I will be seeing ironing board. So let us go with this as our rate is $5.98. Okay. So here we will just do the verification. So here is the board. So this board comes with different color themes. Okay. So here we can see. So we can take this colors. So we can take a gray color solid, a silver, or a white color, or a black silver. So here I am choosing a blue. Okay. So here we can see the reviews also. Okay, and from here we can see the detail. So it comes like this, you can see. So here we can see the height width also. So here we can scroll down and we can see the height is 26 centimeter and the width is 11 centimeter. So TEMU gives us the shopping security, a free shipping, and to buy you have to click on add to cart. So then you have to click on buy, then follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a ironing board on TEMU website. I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.